Hey, what is up, every single one of you superstars out there? My name is Caitlin Sander, and today I'm going to be showing you some of the best Nerf guns that we have in the Kaiser house, even though I'm a Snyder. But I'm going to get them all gathered up into a pile, and I'll be right back. I'm going to do shortest to longest, so I'm going to put them in a huge line, and I'll be back again. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm going to show you them all now. First, I have this one, and it's a Nerf gun. It's limited. You just pull this, and then you hit this, and it shoots. But I have no bullet in it. I can't really shoot it. Actually, I can't shoot it. Hold on. Sorry, it fell out. Hold on. Oh well, it's okay, guys. But anyway, our next gun is this. Hold on. This next one is right here. It is a type of Nerf gun, and it's an X-shoot. So you just pull this, and it shoots. Hold on. And boom, it shot. Okay, here's the next type of gun. It's the next biggest. I don't think it's a type of Nerf gun, but it comes with a set and for aiming targets. But it does actually shoot and stuff. And then there's a cloth back here, but I don't like those. You can't get your finger stuck in them. This next Nerf gun is an X Nerf gun, a golden X Nerf gun. And it's a 2-loaded one. You just push this to switch them out. And this is how you cock it, and it shoots. You got this one. You just cock, and it shoots. It is this Nerf gun, unlimited. I got this rifle. This huge rifle. It's kind of a Nerf gun. You just cock right here, and you bring it back up, and it shoots. Hey, look at that! It did shoot, actually, but I don't want to shoot you guys because it's a really hard one. I also got a motor Nerf gun. You don't cock, you just hit right here, and then you do it and hit there, and then to take it out, you just hit that. Then the longest Nerf gun we got is this Nerf gun. Like, you take it out by pushing these, and you cock it like this. Okay, that's it, and I'll be right back. That is it for today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below what other type of videos you like. More singing videos, more Nerf gun videos, maybe shooting Nerf gun wars. I have no idea what you guys want, and make sure you subscribe because I have barely any subscribers. I really like those bells down below, right beside. Once you hit subscribe, there will be a bell for post notifications where you can see my next video. Bye, everybody, and I hope you have a super-tastic day today. See y'all. Just kidding, I have to come back for 1 second. If you're a Pokemon expert like me, you will find some of these cards. If you find some of these cards, take a picture and send it to me. And also take a picture of the back, because I know what to do with the back, so just go like this and take a picture of it. It'd be a big help, and I hope you all do it. And now, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the post notifications so you get all my notifications for my new videos.